What's up guys, it's time to talk about the Samsung Galaxy update. The Galaxy S11 series is expected to be announced in February or March 2020, but we already have a good idea about some of the future to expect. The 2020 Samsung flagship will carry an improved camera system, possible a 108 megapixel camera, the latest patient application for Samsung Index. We might see a very advanced sensor area in this smartphone. The patient applications from Samsung describe an electronic device including several light sources. Basically, the potential Galaxy S11 will have an infrared spectrometer on the back. Infrared spectroscopy deals with the principle that molecules observe specific frequency of a light according to the structure of the molecule. It is mainly used in chemical analysis. The patient explains how the smartphone will use IR and visible light to send electromagnetic waves toward an object and read it back using a spectrometer. A dedicated spectroscopy chip will be able to use that data to read sugar level of a food item, heart rate, and moisture level. The biggest visible application seems to be health, so such a sensor era will revamp the Samsung Health app into something much more useful. The possibility of spectroscopy in a smartphone does not stop there. With a further improvement to the sensor era, Samsung could possibly check blood glucose level, CO2 level, or even make the phone into a smoke detector. The only difficulty that seems visible is reducing the size of the sensor era such that it could fit in the smartphone body without drawing much power from the battery. If the spectrometer system is fast enough, they could potentially use the system as a highly secured biometric alternative. It could be something answer to Face ID. However, with the current processing of power of Snapdragon chipset coupled with the complexity of a spectroscopy, this is much more unlikely. Samsung already has a suite of a health option in its smartphone already, including a heart rate monitor and blood pressure sensor. Adding such an advanced component to a smartphone will further Samsung position as a technological advanced smartphone, making it more compelling to buy a Galaxy S11 or an iPhone 11 Pro. The phone is expected to be feature a better camera system that will incorporate a 108 megapixel camera, and it could support 5x optical zoom. On top of that, we also have a new discovery that suggests Samsung may be developing a new kind of teach for its next generation of flagship handsets. Unsurprisingly, Samsung is working on a feature that are not available from its main competitor Apple, include the latest or might be crazy new camera system that can detect the amount of sugar in a fruit, whatever or not you are hydrated, and much more. Talking about the display, the full screen display technology has seen some dramatic changes in the last few years. Although we are still a bit far from 100% screen only, no ages phone brand like Samsung and Vivo are pushing the boundaries both literally and figuratively with their waterfall screen design. If the rumor from some South Korean reports are to be believed, Samsung may have very well achieved the fitted at least with the upcoming S11. It's being reported that the phone will have a full H2H bezel-free display. It may also get rid of the no-touch punch hole front camera design setup that the Samsung has been using so far. It's not clear whatever Samsung will go with the pop-up front camera or an underscreen on, but the latter seem to be preferably choice. And also its chance to S11 come with the 9 Hz and refresh more rate is Ice Universe tweeted about that. He says almost every mobile phone brand is customizing the 90 Hz or 120 Hz refresh rate screen. What do you want to say to something? Say your thought and I will pass on your suggestion to something. I'm not joking, I'm serious. The new Snapdragon 865, the Galaxy S11 will be powered by the Snapdragon 865 SoC Qualcomm stick to its standard numbering convention. The Galaxy S10 and Note 10 are powered by Snapdragon 855, and the 2018 flagships model of Samsung run on Snapdragon 845. Qualcomm will be announcing the new processor in a couple of months, so stay tuned to check out what will be in store for S11. So, what do you think about these amazing feature in Samsung S11? Let me know in the comment section, and also subscribe for more teach related video. I see you in the next video. Peace out.